Hey Jim, how are you?
Hey Stephanie, I'm fine, and I am salivating over these oysters. So we gotta get down to the questions soon because this is killing me.
Hello everybody, we are here today with Jim Ganther. I'm going to let him introduce himself in a minute, but I wanted to let you guys know that I am so excited. We are at the brisket shop and we're going to do a hot sauce tasting, kind of like the hot ones, you know. So we have an array of different hot sauces that'll be at BBQ Love Fest that we're gonna sample with what Jim grilled for us.
All right, I'm a 61-year-old fat white male smoker from Oshkosh, Wisconsin. I am a recovering attorney, business operator, entrepreneur, and in my spare time, I captain a cook team called A Room with a Q. We've been competing for the last 3.5 years in the Tampa Bay area. We love what we do, and we're super excited to be able to show our stuff at BBQ Love Fest.
BBQ Love Fest is taking place November 18th. You have to get your tickets, guys. There's going to be so many good things happening. There's going to be live music, different cook teams with food that you can sample, pit masters from all over the world, amazing food, amazing time, amazing drinks. Be there, be square. Anyways, so what did you grill for us today, and can we expect to see this at BBQ Love Fest?
I'm not giving away any of our secrets, but yeah, we will probably be doing these as a one-off during the Love Fest.
Okay. Cheers. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, man, they left all the good stuff. This is the mild one.
I'm fine. All right. What can guests expect to sample from your barbecue when they attend the event?
They can expect absolute maniacal dedication to the craft. We are very, very serious about the quality of our proteins, what we put into it. We don't cut any corners. Anything that we're pushing across the counter, we want people to think that was amazing. Sauce is from Georgia Boy, and they label this one Shawty's Hot Hickory.
Oh my God, they named it after me.
I've never tried this one before, but let's give it a shot and then I'll tell you what it's like.
Okay.
Oh!
That's fine, I can do it. All right.
What do you think about the flavors?
I don't eat it well.
Oh.
No, it's so good. No, that's so spicy though. So, who do you think is your biggest competitor at BBQ Love Fest?
It's hard to say. We literally compete against professional restaurants that bring all their equipment. But on the backyard side, you know, which is who we are. We're not professional chefs. We don't work at a barbecue restaurant. We all have real jobs, and we just love to cook. So the backyard competition is a guy named Gene Pluce. Gene Pluce is the local godfather of brisket. He's an absolute culinary genius. He's an engineer by training. He is very precise. He's also a consummate gentleman and just a fine, outstanding individual.
Nice.
So kicking his butt up between his shoulder blades will be special. Maca Gator swamp sauce. I will apply.
Is that one named after you?
No.
I don't know if I'm getting accustomed to it or if that one was hotter than that one. Or maybe I just am numb. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, next question. What is like a really simple grilling recipe that would just wow people?
One of my favorites, and we've used this for one of our segments at Barbecue U, is barbecued pork tenderloin. Cut it on the diagonal, spread it out on a platter, take that chimichurri, pour it down the spine. It's going to look good, it's going to smell good, it's going to taste good.
Amazing.
And that is about as simple a recipe as you can get. Shiitake Szechuan. It is indicating it's pretty hot.
Next question. What is a pro grilling tip that you would like to share with us who want to get into grilling?
Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna take a break.
No, we're not. You have to
Say it.
answer through the pain. This brings me joy.
Okay, pro tip. Time and temperature in recipes, they're just suggestions. They're guideposts.
Mm-hmm.
What you really want to worry about is the temperature of the meat itself or whatever it is you're cooking. Buy one of these. Instant read thermometer. This one's
always carry that in your pocket?
no. When I'm grilling, yes, absolutely. Sometimes I carry two. The daddle, XXX daddle. Daddle pepper is one of the hottest peppers. I don't think we got hot enough sauces, although I got to tell you, I might have done that for the ascending order so far. That'll make your eyes turn blue.
I don't think that was spicy.
Really?
Okay. All right, rapid fire questions. Okay, fat side up or fat side down?
Fat side up. Now, but that's because my tool, which is either a primo or a big green egg, the heat radiates down. You're doing indirect heat when you're doing a brisket. That's the fat cap. And so the heat is radiating from the top. You always want the fat cap against the source of the heat. Plus, as that fat renders, it's going to baste the meat as it breaks down, and it's
sense.
super duper.
Wrap in foil or butcher paper?
Butcher paper. Butcher paper breathes, so it does allow some oxygen to escape. So if you're wrapping an aluminum foil, you're now steaming your meat.
Okay.
So if you're doing a brisket and you wrap it in aluminum foil, you're going to make all of your bark soggy. I mean, who wants that?
Not I. Slaw or no slaw on a sandwich?
Slaw, but not that much. On a barbecue sandwich,
Yeah.
pulled pork, slaw, but not that much.
Yeah, I like how it makes it like crunchy.
Yeah.
Drums or flat?
Drums.
Oh,
Drums.
on the flats, through and through.
Drums.
Well, that wraps up our questions. I really appreciate you being here today. And seriously, guys, you have to go and try his food at BBQ Love Fest. You are missing out if you don't. And you'll see these hot sauces there, so you get to enjoy them too. Between now till November 18th, check out UNation. We'll post the link below, but there's a bunch of different events happening at Brisket Shop, gearing up for BBQ Love Fest. There's happy hours, brunches, breakfast. It's super cool. There's gonna be a ton of people here. That's how I met Jim, actually, was at one of the happy hours. So it's a great way to meet people. And with that, we are done.
See you
Thank you.
See you at the Love Fest.
See you at Love Fest.
Be there and come home.